In today's fast-paced digital world, automating routine tasks can significantly enhance productivity and efficiency. And we encounter multiple such tasks in our daily life, either at work or even for our personal tasks. In the first example in this section, let us start with a simple task that most of us are familiar with, that is posting on social media across different social media platforms. Now, though this process is fun, it involves a lot of repetitive tasks that an AI agent can easily take over and do it for you. And thanks to Gen AI, even the creative aspects such as thinking and composing posts can now be managed by AI. All you need is an idea on this topic, and Gen AI can take it from there, transforming your concept into a polished post and further share it across platforms with AI agents. So, in this lesson, let us go through the process of creating a social media publisher agent that can not only generate content but also automate the process of posting across platforms such as Facebook and LinkedIn. And one of the most powerful ways to achieve this is by leveraging generative AI with automation platforms such as Zapier. This AI agent will craft a compelling social media post on a given topic, seamlessly publish it across your chosen platforms, and log all the relevant details into a Google Sheet. And this ensures you have a complete record of what was posted and when, making it easy to track your social media activity. All of this, which would have taken you hours to do manually, can be completed in minutes. This AI agent will free up your time and also ensure consistency across your social media presence. So let's dive in and see how this innovative solution can transform your social media strategy. But before we dive into building it, let's take a look at what the final product will look like. Here, I will use custom GPT model that can generate a social media post of around, say, 150 words. It then automatically publishes the post on both Facebook and LinkedIn, and even updates the Google Sheet like we discussed. The Google Sheet will have details such as the topic, the content of the post, and the URLs for the Facebook and LinkedIn posts. And this gives us a clear record of what was posted and where, all in one place. So let's see how this works. I will start by giving it a topic. Say, the importance of drinking water. The Gen AI system will generate a post of around 150 words, complete with relevant hashtags, and then it will ask for my approval. Once I confirm that the post looks good, the AI connects to Zapier and begins executing necessary actions. First, it will publish the post on Facebook. After confirming that step, it will then proceed to post the same content on LinkedIn. Now let's verify this as well. I will head over to Facebook, refresh the page, and there is the new post about the importance of drinking water. Next, I will check LinkedIn, refresh the page, and see that the post has been successfully published there as well. Finally, let's look into the Google Sheet. It contains the topic I provided, the generated post, the links to Facebook and LinkedIn posts, and the time they were published. So, in the next lecture, this is the AI agent that we are going to build together.